Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add photo gallery to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is photo gallery, and you can add it without coding to your website. So let's click sign up for free. You want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you're gonna have it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in a search photo, and here you got it, photo gallery. So let's create a widget here. Now right here you can go with a product seller, wedding photographer, product photographer, or traveler, or like whatever you want. You can also edit a template. When you're gonna continue with the template, you can simply edit the images here and upload your own. I recommend like having the similar resolution. Then just change the layout here. You can also change it to like vertical masonry or horizontal one or grid or thumbnails. Really up to you which one you choose. Then click settings, like open image and pop-up, redirect to link, nothing. And then click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with a light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code. Just test the light version first. Now, what you want to do is just scroll down below. I'm going to delete this. Click add, empt, custom empt a widget. And right here, you want to simply enter the code here and update. And voila, here we got it. So like this, see? And this is how you get really pretty photo gallery. And I'm going to preview it, and look at this. When I'm going to click, it's going to open like this. And yeah. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.